So welcome back guys to another video. Okay, so in this video what we'll be looking at is we'll be discussing what happened or the trade opportunities that for 16th June 2025, okay, Monday. That is this black full candle, okay. So before going to the lower time frame, let's understand we have a daily fair value gap. We are in a bullish move, created a structure shift here. So now this becomes an internal liquidity. Okay, and there you have this liquidity graph and the handle drain goes above it. Okay, so it is considered as a structure, not a structure shift from this way. Okay, we have this daily fair value gap. Okay, so going to a 4 hour. Yesterday morning we opened closed on Friday evening. We closed here, opened here. Okay, so this becomes the uh, new week opening gaps. Okay, so and we had one 4 hour fair value gap here, and that's it. And on we have another 4 hour here, but oh, this is also a 4 hour. No, this is actually 1 hour. Okay, we'll go to show you. So what we had is this 1 hour fair value gap, this 4 hour fair value gap, this 1 hour fair value gap here. Okay, so market came to this 1 hour fair value gap, taking over this highs came here. We'll go to a smaller time frame. Okay, 5 minutes. This is that 1 hour. The recent fair value gap. Okay, this is that 1 hour recent fair value gap. This is a sell side liquidity. Okay, it's I just marked here. The next sell side is here. Okay, below this. Sorry about this daily fair value gap. Okay, so going to 5 minutes. Went to this fair value gap, created a short time high, shown a small displacement, but again it went above it, causing a liquidity graph. No body closed above these candles. Okay, so it's a liquidity graph, came back down, creating the structure shift because you got this body closing here with a 5 minute fair value gap. Okay. And since yesterday, I will show you. Yesterday, there was no major news, red folder news, okay, on EU and sorry, EU and USD, okay. So, your first entry is gonna be from here, okay. That's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be your stop loss. That's gonna be your target. I think this was clear, okay. And for your information, we have all these lows here. And this low, final lows here, okay. You could either exit on these ridiculous or hold up to here, okay. And again, it's broken down lower, okay. I just want you to check this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay. Uh, Now I think we'll go to. I think you can do none of the 5 minute uh, candle closed outside this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay. So going to this 1 minute. We have short time highs here. This is at first entry 5 minute fair value gap. Okay. We have some short time highs here. Took that high, breakdown, creating another structure shift here, making this as a fair or a very short block. Okay. So if you just take the displacement of this, uh, sorry, if you just measure the displacement from this high to this low, you can see the midpoint is here, the golden zones are here, and the target here. So I just want you to look at this. Oh shit, okay. About this equilibrium that is on premium array, we have a this 1 minute fair value gap. This 1 minute company, there will be fair value gap here on 2 minute. Okay, I'll show you on MT5. Okay. This particular fair value gap and this particular fair value gap. Okay, that is this one here and this one here. Okay, again, that's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be your stop. The target is somewhere over here. Okay, and we'll go to the trading view chart. Okay. So after I just want you to, I'm just erasing this. Okay, this is 5 minute. So if you just see, uh, this is our 830. Even though the 830 opens, our none of this equal to or relative equal lows were taken out. Okay, you see, price was creating equal lows here before 830 openings. Okay, so the what do you see? Probability of going lower is comparatively really higher. Okay, so let's say you didn't get an entry on this the 2 minute or this 1 minute. Okay, what do you should just look at the price action. I will just erase this. Okay. Price is creating equal highs. Okay, so basically, if someone is gonna take an entry, let's say they are also gonna take an entry from here. Okay, but they have making for a confirmation entries. Okay, so what they will do is they will first uh, see the price how it is reacting here. Okay, and when this reacted here, it created this 1 minute fair value gap. This there could be a 2 minute fair value gap here. Okay, so and there is a structure shift here. So people will enter from here, making stop losses here. Okay, see the stop loss was also not taken it. Okay, so these are creating equal highs. Okay, so I told you many times, if you're gonna sell, it should be above 830. If you're gonna buy, it should be below 830. Okay, so if you just look at this price action, You have this trend line liquidity here. Okay, this is I didn't pick this one. Uh, okay, that's fine. And at the high of each candle, there will be stop losses. Okay, stop loss orders. Okay, I'm saying this way. Okay, so these are a kind of high profit entries. Okay, if you are gonna take an entry here, you should totally place your stop loss above this candle. Okay, so that's enough. Let's say you entered here. Okay, your stop loss is still going to be here only because since this much liquidities were taken, the mm, it will go for another lower another liquidity. Okay, so you have this relative loss here, this loss here. So it's like you can blindly take this entry. Okay, that's gonna be uh, your target. You almost will get 6 hour, even though you place this here. Uh, it will trigger here. Okay, so I will show you the execution and I will just show you. No, okay, I didn't enter from here. Okay, I entered from here. Sorry, this was a I think stop loss. Okay, I I said I entered from here, made my stop loss here, and targeted for this here. Happened everything. I didn't again enter from here. Okay, I just put my positions and went off. Okay, so I have some work to do. So, and what you're seeing here is another model that ICT thought on one of his video. I was just going through whether it is gonna apply on gold. Can we apply on gold or not? Okay, I'm just backtesting this strategy. But this is a perfect trade. Okay, since it got stopped out here, I'm still happy. Okay, I buy it from here, here, stopped out here. Okay, still that is fine. Okay, my views are pretty much correct on gold yesterday. I went to this one, with parallel gap, broke down. Fine, everything was fine yesterday for me. Okay, and on yesterday also, due to some issues, I was not able to uh, take the full opportunity of the shit. Okay, so you can see I already sold from that 2 minute fair value gap, but okay, this yesterday it was a full game of emotions. Okay, so again went. I just ended up somewhat like this. Okay, and our balance is 10,554. Okay, okay. So I think you understand this trade, but I will explain what I was doing here. Okay. So in one of his ICT's video, there was something called a Venom model. Okay. So what it says is, if a single candle took out many of the liquidities, and when taking this, you see this single candle was able to take out this much liquidity. So one, two, three, four, five. Okay. You can also say this one, six. Six loaves were taken by a single candle. And when this was taken, there was a fair value gap here. And on the return of this one, it doesn't even respect this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. So he says that, and it created a structure shift here. Okay. So the moment price came to that 1 minute fair value in IFAG, it have taken entries. So what I did was I just entered here, made my stop loss here. Okay, first made my stop loss here. When this structure shift was taken, I moved my stop loss to here. Okay, and targeted for this high. This from here almost 3 hour. Okay, that tells you don't need to understand or anything. Yes, I'm not even understand fully of this. I think that strategy works only on Nasdaq. I think so. And if you are just holding it for a longer time, you could get all this move without your stop loss was here, right? Target here. Yeah, you could get easily. But when you took an entry from here, you almost got 6 star, and when price came to this point, most of them exits. Even I also exit. I will also exit. That's human emotions, okay? So don't worry. So let us see good trades below. Let's see if we took an entry here and made our stops here. And let's say we exited on when this candle opens, go up here and go slow. Yeah, I exited on this rejection candle from below. Okay. Exited here because when this rejection occurs and this candle opens on the opening of this candle, I exited. You'll get almost oh shit. Oh shit, man. Almost this kind of 70. If you are gonna risk 1%, you are gonna get almost 17, 15. Or next day, it was a good day trade for Euro and USD too. But you see, all this accumulation here. Wait, I will show you with respect to GU. Okay, this accumulation, all this accumulation, manipulation to this 15-minute fair value gap on GU. Same here. All this accumulation manipulation to this order block here. I think it's easy to find on GU. Okay. After this manipulation to here, there was no structure shift here. These are liquidity sweep. Okay. On this guy, you could get the structure shift here with the fair value gap up here, and it was not able to take out here. Okay. So let's see. We have an SMT there also 826 and 842. Okay. 826, 842. No, nothing. Okay. So you had a gap here. That's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be a stop, and any of these equal highs could be your targets. Okay. Let's say that's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be your, and this guy almost 2 hour you will get it. That's fine, bro. So even after this, and if you are just holding, you will get up to here. I think. Yeah, up to here you will get, because when you get this structure shift, you will place your stops here, right? So got triggered here. So yeah, that's it. And in GU, well, there is one more thing. You see this law, this sell side rate. That's also you could trade. Okay, so you have your rate 30 here. This 1 hour order block. Look out this high structure shift here. So this becomes an order block. Oh, wait. I didn't say this yesterday. The high of this candle is, you could see here, okay. High of this candle is dash 146, okay. You have to scan this one for it. So there you have one SMT here. Sorry. So you have an SMT here with respect to these guys, and it is in an outer block area. Uh, and going to 1 minute. You still have no structure sheet because there is no carrier cross below this. Okay, but in GU, I think there is something. Okay, you have this low taken out here. You have this guy that is 10:07 a.m. 10:07 a.m. No SMT or something like that. Okay, another you have structure shift here. Already an SMT there on 1 hour time frame. From this high to this low. Taking the displacement from this side to this level. Okay. I think you have a 1 minute fair value gap here. Let's see on this one. Okay. I think it's here, right? Yeah. So okay. Our chart is showing that this is already filled. So I would also don't take this trade. Okay. So because there is not any good opportunity for, or if you just look at, you need to enter from here. If you're going to enter from here, you need to put your stops around 90 pips and you will be already getting 150. Yeah, but yeah, I don't take this trade, okay, because this is not in my strategy, okay. So I think that's all for the video. Thank you for listening. I think you got some idea from these videos, okay. So thank you for your time. Uh, I don't know. Today I will be. I need to go to back something like that. And okay, so see you on the next video. Okay, guys. Bye.